Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with my first layout for the scrapbooking store. So this is using the January kit, and it is the collection. Oh my goodness, I don't remember what name the collection is, but I will have a link below to where you can find the kit on the website. If you are curious about signing up for this kit club, make sure to use my link down below, which I will also make sure to have that so that you can click on that if you want to sign up for it. I feel like this kit club is very affordable compared to a lot of other kit clubs, and I really love being on this design team. I love these products. But anyway, let's jump to the layout. So the background paper that I am using, I actually wrote all of this down while I was at the retreat. I did so good about keeping track of it. Okay, so this layout, the background paper is called Chill Out, and I really love diagonal designs, and I also love multicolor designs as well. So I really love this paper, this background paper, and definitely wanted to use it as a background. So you can see that I am using this frame that says Wonder on it. And the reason I decided to use that frame was when I looked at this photo, I just thought that it was just, I don't know, the word wonder just kind of like popped out at me, especially after looking at the upgrades that came in this month's kit. And I just fell in love with this frame. So here you can see I am just gluing down some fun foam. I just bought a huge, I think it was like 11 by 17 piece from Hobby Lobby. And that's what I'm using. I'm just kind of cutting up the sizes that I need, the pieces that I need as I go. And on this layout, I am going to use up one of the embellishment sticker sheets. It is from Sticko, and you can see it there to the left of my layout. And it has all these really pretty different designs of snowflakes, and it has all different sizes too. So at first I'm just thinking I'm just going to place a couple around here, and then it looks like I'm going to mat the photo maybe. I don't have the layout sitting with me, and I don't really remember how I did this and in what order, because this was like almost 2 weeks ago. It was about 10 days ago that I went and did this. I think this layout I made Friday night. I'm pretty sure, because I think I scrapbooked 3 layouts Friday night. And then I think I worked in one of my journals or something Friday night. And Friday night I stayed until, I want to say like 10:45, I think. So that was really, really fun. Here is where I decide, okay, I think I'm going to just use all of these snowflakes. So I'm going to start putting them down just all over on this right-hand side. And I also brought a bunch of wood veneer from Shadney, who I'm not sure if she's still on YouTube, but she was like a really good friend. Probably like 5 years ago, she opened her Etsy shop, and she did a lot of like wood veneer and I was gonna say sequins, but she didn't do sequins. She did acrylic. That was the other thing that she did. So I was really excited when I was going through my stash and looking for extra embellishments and things that I found these not acrylic. Oh my goodness, I can't think. These wood veneer. And I thought I was bringing in the wood veneer now, but nope. I forgot that I added Speakle Mom Scrap sequins to this. So the sequins that I used were called or are called Happy Happy Winter. And they are a really pretty set, and the colors totally went with the background paper and the colors on this layout. I am going to cut a bunch of this out because this seriously takes like an hour, I'm pretty sure, to put down all of these sequins. Now here you can see that I have 2 of these tags, and that was a full 12 by 12 paper that was just tags. So I cut up 2 of them. I thought I actually cut up 3 of them. I wonder if I cut up a third one, but anyway, so I cut up these 2 and then I put them right next to each other to the left of the photo. And then I'm thinking, okay, I need a tag to do some journaling on because I need somewhere to do some journaling. So I decided to use this cute little tag from that same piece of paper, but I just used the back side of it where there was an area where I could do some journaling. So I just take that and I glue it underneath the photo and a little bit under the tags, and then I'm going to do some journaling on it later. So now I'm going to pull out those wood veneer from Shadney, and if she still has an Etsy shop, I will definitely leave a link below. I'm not sure if she does, like I said earlier, but I will leave a link to it below. Then after I add all of these wood veneer to this left side, I'm going to go ahead and add more sequins to the left side as well. And here you can see I did kind of take a break to write down all of these the names of like the sequins and the wood veneer and the papers, because I'm trying to be better about letting you guys know what I use while I'm scrapbooking. Most of it I think you can still find online besides the Spiegelmom Scrap sequins, and I'm not sure about Shadney's stuff. So I think, in fact, I will get onto Etsy right now and see if she is open, because I should still have her saved. Let's see. Nope, that's not her. I don't think I see her stuff. At least as Shadney, I don't see Shadney. So I will maybe reach out to her and see if she's still selling and let you know. But anyway, let's get back to the layout. So this part takes quite a while as well. I'm not sure that I actually keep recording this, but I just kind of place everything around as I feel like it. So I really love how this layout turned out. I think I'm actually going to end it here because I think I did just keep recording, and mainly it's just me placing down all of these things. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys have a great scrappy day. Bye.